Well, good morning. It's barely morning. It's almost noon. Woke up this morning with a dusting of snow on everything. Most of that is melted from the heat of the earth. You can see everything's nice and wet, not good. And it is melting. Got the same thing happening on top of the house. I'm going to try not to get up there until that's dried off a little bit. This weekend we were up here and I hit a point where I felt like we're just spinning our wheels right now. We're hardly making any progress. I need to kick it into overdrive and get this roof put on. So I went ahead last night and made contact with the crane operator, and I'm getting a crane up here later in the week. I've got today and another day to help prep and get things staged. I don't know that I'm going to get all the panels put on, but I think what I can do is strategically, I can put the panels on that side that I can't reach from the back anymore, and then start working across the house to get the rest of them on. That should give me the ability to get enough of the panels taken care of so that anything that's left we can do with the excavator. It's cold today. I ran around here trying to remediate some of the issues with the snow and the water getting into the panels. There's not much you can do. So I focused on what I can do. I've got to get splines in here. I went to the hardware store. I bought some more OSB, and the reason is the panel company didn't send me enough splines. I got 11 panels left to go on top of this house, and yesterday I had 3 packages of splines. We cut into our last one yesterday. The last one we had to try and clean up a little bit. It had some, and this is strictly on us, it had some little bit of mildew on it from getting wet. I knew we weren't going to have enough anyway, so I just went ahead and bought enough OSB that I could cut more splines and account for that, because I really don't want to stick something in there that's got mildew on it. I've got half an hour of daylight left. That's enough time for me to get the OSB splines in this top panel and maybe get it down onto the ground so that I can get ready to do the other one. Let's see if I can get this puppy down without having a catastrophe. Make sure I'm looking at it the right way. This is the end. RA12 goes up there. Spline goes on the top. Yep. Well, as you can see, there's no more sunlight. Day's gone. I gotta work my regular job tomorrow, but the next day I'll be back out here getting this thing staged up and ready to go, so that when we come in on Thursday with the crane, we can get this taken care of and at least make enough progress in the areas that give me a hard time that the rest of it I can take care of. I'll see y'all then. A camera today, so this is all going to be done by cell phone. Now, doing this by myself has some challenges to it, and one of them is it's just me, so I may end up having to strap these things to the forklift mount on here in order to get it on here, because as you can see, that one started to slide. I had to set it down so it didn't go off and break. If you want to get it done, there's always going to be a way to get it done. Now, it may not be super fast, but that's the fastest way I can get it done today. If Jafana was out here helping me, we'd be moving faster. But she's got to work her regular gig. All right, I've got 2 of these panels prepped up, and I'm going to go over them just with a piece of wood just to make sure I'm at the right level. Obviously, that's got to be taken down. I'm going to take that out. But I've got a little bit of touch up there. I'm going to slide a piece of wood through to make sure I'm at the right level. Then I'm going to cut my 2x12s, foam them up, insert them, nail them in. Well, I've got my phone kind of rigged up on my camera stand. I don't know if it's going to hold or fall or what, but I've got the first piece cut. I'm going to foam it, put it in, and nail it. Gotta get closer to the middle. Let's see. Right there. I got this first piece complete. I've got the pieces cut for this one. They're up there, ready for me to bring them down. The sun obviously is down. I figure I'm about 30-40 minutes till it's real dark. I'm just gonna go ahead and get some work lights out and keep rocking on it. I've got one more panel that I still have to cut the foam out of and put the splines in the top of it. So that'll probably take me about about 2 hours. So Jafana came up here to help me out. She is working the little field improvised hot knife we use out of a barbecue starter. And she is getting the foam removed from this last panel that we have to remove foam from. After this, we don't have to do this again. And fortunately, it's kind of a short one too, so it should go a little bit easier. While she's doing that, I'm gonna go over to the stack and pull another panel off. It's one of the last 2 little wall segments that connects the small roof with the big main roof. Both sides of it need a spline, and both sides of it are at an angle, so it'll be interesting. Now, we didn't get it all done, but we got enough of it done that tomorrow we should be able to knock out everything that I need so that by the end of the weekend, we've got it done. Thanks for watching. Come on back and check us out again at Break Hard Orchard. We'll be here. You're going to want to see this crane action.